Hey everybody, it's been a while, but usually it means things are going pretty well because you don't really say too many things unless you get stuff or there's issues. Well, what you're staring at right now is what I think is very, very typical of Ford batteries back in the, I guess, almost 2000 started of it, where they're not making even the 60,000 or what it might be in miles, 60,000 kilometers kind of thing under warranty, and they're covered for that. So I'm coming to my end of my 3 years, and I had poor battery indications happening, and here we are. Newer battery replaced, and they say these are much better now, but we'll find out. As you can see, what I did was actually add a battery monitor on it to see if it actually does do better or not. I'll throw this in front. This is it. You can find it on Amazon if you want to. But here we go. Let's see what happens next time. Like, subscribe, and all that fun jazz.